Everyday regulated batch pipelines reject records. An HL7 message, an X12 claim, a FHIR resource, something fails validation. Today, those failures get caught late, fixed by hand, and leave no defensible trail. When a regulator or a customer asks what happened to a record, the honest answer is usually a shrug. And that's real money, in rework, in revenue that slips, and in an audit you're not ready for. PresidioFlow turns that into 4 steps. Isolate, repair, prove, and verify. First, it isolates. Each batch runs on its own, so one bad record never poisons the rest of the run. Then it repairs. Validators flag the failures, and a rules-based remediation chain proposes a fix, applies it, and revalidates. On our test corpus, about 48% clear at Tier 1, with no large language model wired in. The rest are never dropped. They escalate to a person with the exact reason the fix couldn't be made. A missing claim amount, an ambiguous birth date, a required segment the validator kept rejecting. You watch all of it from one place: a live posture score, statistical anomaly monitoring, and a dead man switch that escalates anything that stalls. So no failure is silent. Now the part that matters: proof. Every state change is written to a hash chain append-only ledger. On top of that chain, a Certificate-Transparency-style Merkle log gives you short, math-checkable proofs that a record is included and that the log has only ever been appended to. And it's sealed into an evidence pack signed with ECDSA P-256 by your own AWS KMS key. Anyone can verify it. A checksum proves the file is byte identical to what was generated. A signature proves origin, but only when your auditor pins your key out of band. It's tamper-evident. It detects any reorder, deletion, or edit. And it all runs in the browser, trusting no server. From the records you already process, it maps evidence to SOC2, HIPAA, and ISO 27001. It runs inside your own AWS account. PHI is tokenized, it never reaches a large language model, and it never leaves your boundary. Most compliance tools prove your company is secure. Data observability tools tell you when something looks wrong. PresidioFlow is the layer underneath. It repairs the records your pipelines reject and proves every fix. It works alongside your stack, not instead of it. A note on what this is. PresidioFlow is a working prototype, 1,083 unit tests and 14 end-to-end tests passing today. It produces evidence-ready artifacts. It is not a certification, and it does not make you certified. Certification requires an independent auditor. Repair the pipeline, prove every fix, and let your auditor check the math themselves.